Here I have TOSCIDO M863, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So firstly you have to go to the Files application. Here you can transfer downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and other, and also apps. So let's transfer, for example, some image. For example, this one and this one. Then tap here on three dots. Select if you want to move these images or if you want to copy them. Not to have favorites, but it could be okay. Copy to. Then select SD card. Select the folder where you want to copy them. For example, I don't know, download. And tap copy here. Continue. Download. Use this folder. Allow. Run folder select. Okay. Let's just copy it to SD card. You select it, tap copy to SD card, and don't select any super folder. Okay, select download, copy here, continue, use this folder, allow. Oh, okay, and now it worked, and now we have these images on our SD card in the download folder. Yeah, here they are, and here are our images. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.